faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, it's a brand new day in my household. It's a brand new day in this side of France. It's a brand new day in JA in my house. You guys see me all red, all looking red with a little makeup dash on my face. That's because we just attempted to take some Christmas pictures, some Christmas photos. Some came out good, but I'll share some of it with you guys. Today is just chaos and I hate chaos. I have so much to get done today, but it will be done. So let me show you guys the fam bam one by one.
Hello,
don't mind my crazy background looking.
Hello, sis, I have something to tell you.
Okay.
Today is Lily's birthday.
Today is Lily's birthday.
He's my friend.
It's your friend's birthday.
Yes.
And you're going to Lily's party, right? Alright. Now to this little pretty girl. Hi, pretty. Hi. Say morning to the face. Look. Say morning to the face. She just wants to take everything off the Christmas tree. Say morning. Say hi. Sarah. Hello. Hey. Say hello. Say hi. Hey. Say hi. Hi. No? Nothing? You just want to behave bad on the Christmas tree? Oi, see the face, dear. Exactly. Say hi. 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 She dancing. Oh my gosh, you guys. Let me show you guys, babe. Babe is actually hurrying to leave out because he have to go drop Tyler at this party. Care to say hello?
No, I don't care, but I just have to wash my hands first. Hi, guys.
You don't care to say hello?
You say care, yeah. I mean, I want to say hello.
Yeah, so you
Whatever
don't
English
care.
is, don't bother me. Come on.
Say hello to the face, please.
Hi, guys. This is a wonderful new day. Pretty outside. And
Turn off that light behind it. It's annoying me. Thank you. Go now. It's a wonderful new day outside.
Outside, and no, it's I have to bring Tyler to his friend party. Tyler been invited to the friend party this year. So yeah, this one is I don't know how is it gonna be. I think I'll drop him and stay waiting in the car, come back, or let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, so it's a wonderful day outside. It's pretty. It's almost Christmas.
You look very Christmassy.
Thank you. This is because I have my balls.
You have your balls. How many balls do you have? Go. Wait.
Go.
Hold this.
So.
Anyway, you guys, I had to go grab Sarah real quick. Sarah is a piece of work, you know. Sarah getting
Where put this foot?
Sarah get into everything. Today I have to pack. I have to pack today because we leave in the morning. So we are having our Christmas early because we opening our gifts before we leave home. So we got to do that in the morning, girl. So today will just be hella busy. I have to go pack for everybody as soon as babe step out of this house. So that's what I'm gonna do. Come, what's wrong? Come here. What's wrong? What's the problem? Tell Fizz what's the problem. Who troubling you? Who troubling you?
Nobody.
Who troubling you?
It's my
She hear
body.
plate. She hear plate. So we're looking at you guys. You hear plate? Food she wants, you know. Watch her eyes pop up plate.
J'ai du fromage de hier.
Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are doing well and is into all the Christmas spirit, because if you are not in a good mood at any other time of the year, this time is a good time to do that. Sending you guys love and all the happiness, and hopefully you guys hopefully you guys get everything that you hope and wish for. Hopefully you were nice throughout the year. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this house and get packing, so I'll catch you guys throughout today. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have been so busy. You have no idea. Look behind me. I am packing, and when I say I'm packing, I mean I'm packing. Okay, I have to pack for everybody because baby's out with Tyler, so I'm packing for all 4 of us, plus I'm packing everything that I need to cook for Christmas dinner. Let me explain to you guys. So my Christmas dinner is going to be Christmas Eve, because on Christmas Day we're going to have a whole other dinner. Okay, so my setting is Christmas Eve with Mama. So Mama, her best friend husband, and Babe, and Sarah and Tyler and I. So that's what I'm packing for. So let me show you guys what I'm doing right now. So I'm packing up all my ingredients that I don't think my mama have to carry with me. I'm carrying all my sauce, my ackee, all my seasoning. Yes, I packed my whole bag of seasoning. The sawfish for the ackee and sawfish the rice, the mayo for the potato salad, potato, carrot. You guys don't laugh at me, but I'm carrying everything. So these are things that I can pack in the bag right now to leave in the morning. And then tomorrow, just before we leave, I'll take out all the things from the freezer that I need to carry, like the goat, the ham, the chicken that's frozen. Okay, so I'm on a roll. When I'm organized like this, then I know things will go right. Now, this is how far I am with packing clothes. So packing is going good. Sarah is taking a nap. The good thing is Sarah has been napping since the boys left, so it's just me. And when it's just me, trust me, when I say productive, I'm on point. Okay, so I have my list with everything, and your girl is just checking. So I'm gonna put this in the bag. It's time for Sarah to get up from her nap, so I'm gonna make her bottle, pick her up, breathe a bit, make dinner, edit tomorrow's vlog so you guys can get it, which is this vlog that you guys will be seeing, and yeah, get some more stuff done. See if I can edit the pictures that we took earlier, the family pictures. You guys, I'm going to bed late tonight, but that's okay. And then I have to bring out all the gifts tonight so that tomorrow when Tyler wake up, the gifts will be under the tree. So I still have a lot ahead of me to do, but I cleaned. Also, I cleaned earlier. I cleaned the entire house, so everywhere is fresh. I don't like to go anywhere and leave my house dirty. You guys know how we do as Jamaicans. So I cleaned bathroom, rooms, everywhere is clean. So that's good. Yeah, so I'm just gonna throw these in the bag, go pick up my girl, and I'll see you guys in a bit. You guys, this is a snack pile. Snacks for Tyler, Sarah, a little for myself, Tyler juice, milk for Sarah, food for Sierra for Sarah, food for Sarah. She just had her bottle, she's awake. So my uncooked stuff is packed. Snack. Hi! Hi! You wanna see yourself? Hi! Hi! You wanna dance? You stay dancing. Hey, hey, go Sarah. Go Sarah. Go, 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 go Sarah. We go Sarah. You finish? You done? All done? Yeah. And I think I finished packing for Sarah too. But I need Babe to go and get the small suitcase, and so I can pack her things in. Yeah. So I'm on my way. I'm gonna take a break from all the packing right now and go and make dinner for the family. Sarah, she's just chatting away. You're just talking away, girl. Who are you talking to? She's just talking away to herself. You're too cute. You know that? You know that? You're way too cute. She and this pan. She's too cute. You guys are making beef mince for dinner real quick. And that's gonna go with some rice that's in the fridge. Not cooking nothing to leave over tonight. So quick and easy beef mince it is. What you doing over there?
What am I doing? I am about to wash dishes.
Okay.
I'm going to help you, Papa. Wash the dishes.
You're gonna help me help to wash the dishes? No. Est-ce que ta chambre est rangée? Is your bedroom packed and clean? That's helping me if you can pack your bedroom. If you want to help me, that's the first thing you have to do is that.
Okay.
Okay? Then you can go to bed early.
Because what's gonna happen in the morning?
Oh,
Santa Claus is coming tonight.
but it's not a red Christmas.
But your Christmas will be in the morning. Mama Claus and Papa Claus coming tonight.
Mama Claus and
Papa.
they're not the real Santa Claus.
Santa is not real. Sorry to break it to you. Hey!
Comme je sais qu'il y a des oiseaux qui sont un peu violents pour toi. Comme enfants, madame. Bon, tout va bien.
You dancing? Come here. Come and give Mama a kiss. Can I have a kiss, please? Bisous. Mwah.
What you're looking at them?
Oh, look at him. He's in green socks, red pants, and blue and red shirt. Who dressed you?
Me. Mama.
Yes, Dad.
Why you're putting the camera on me? I'm acting like a Star Wars.
I'm just looking at you. What you doing? You're too funny. You're acting like a Star Wars. Be careful to your sister. Don't make her turn off the TV and her. She's not happy. She run gun.
Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Peekaboo, Papa! Peekaboo! Peekaboo, peekaboo!
Oh,
Papa!
say excuse me.
Papa! Il faut qu'il y a beaucoup de batterie. Papa?
Come here, come end the vlog.
Come here, Mr. Clown.
Come.
Stop. Papa back is hurting.
Clown.
Tyler. who matched the green and the red? Who matched the two worst
I asked you
colors?
earlier who dressed you. Hey, take your foot down. Don't reach. Get down.
1. Thank you. Anyway, guys, it's the end of the day. It's the last day in Avignon. No, it's the last day in Nice. We're going in adventure tomorrow. We're
You
gonna
guys-
see family.
Yeah, I'm coming on to end the vlog.
Bye.
Ending.
Bye.
Lord. Now send Tyler to bed and put all the gifts under the tree. Oh, I mean, Santa is coming tonight. So when you wake up in the morning, you do not come in the living room until Mama come and get you in your room, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah.
You're gonna leave out carrot and milk for Santa?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm going to do that right now.
No, come back. Say bye-bye to Faves first.
Bye bye.
Ah.
Bye bye.
Ah.
Bye bye.
Alright, you guys, if it's your first time to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new. I know today's vlog is short, but girl, your girl have so much things to do today, and I just need to finish up what I have to do. So we'll leave you here for today, and of course we'll see you tomorrow in the gift unwrapping. Who's excited? Me! Only me? Who's excited?
Me.
Who's excited? You not
Me.
excited?
Me.
Sarah, how about you?
Me.
She's only excited to eat my phone. Say bye-bye to the face. Sarah, say bye. Say bye.
Mama,
Bye-bye.
Excuse me, Mama.
Good job. Look at him. Tell the face what you're doing.
I'm giving cookie milk and carrot to Santa Claus. Papa, prépare du
So we have to pull our gifts before we leave home, because it don't make sense to carry them, because he'll have gift when he go to grandma's house, and then it don't make sense to open them when we come back way after Christmas. So we decided to open them before we leave. So he's pretty excited. His Christmas gonna come a few days early.
C'est la plus grande.
Oui, mais comme
So your Santa drink lot of milk though?
ça, tu mets par-dessus le verre pour pas que, en attendant que le Père Noël il arrive.
Come up per now milk. But Jesus.
Et voilà, comme ça, quand il va venir, il va dire Tyler c'est le plus gentil de tous les garçons. Oui. That's smart.
So this is what you leave for Santa beside the tree.
So everybody leave that. So you're gonna eat a lot of cookie.
You know what?
What?
You know that sometimes Santa eats cake.
Eat
Little
cake. Okay, well, you don't have no cake to give Santa. Santa is satisfied with what he have right now. All right?